I love olive oil. My favorite salad dressing is I mix olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and lemon. And I love it. I love brushing my chicken with olive oil, cooking stuff with olive oil. But will I put it on my face? So I did an earlier video about JLo's secrets to skincare. And I did the video because I heard over the radio, they did a survey that JLo is a celebrity who has the best skin. And that's why I go like, okay, I'm going to research. And one of the things that she really stresses is the use of olive oil on top of her genetics. Olive oil. But see, so many are skeptical about it, doctors and dermatologists, because olive oil is good to eat. But olive oil can clog your pores. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jackie D. If this is your first time, thank you for dropping by. I hope you stay. I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you all. My goal is to help you build your self-esteem, to help you find the good in life, the positive in life, make you feel good, whether it's through skincare, through hairstyling, fashion, dance, healthy living, healthy eating. All of these make up who we are. All of this help us build confidence in ourselves because inside beauty is what lasts. Okay, so we're talking about olive oil, and yes, this is a follow-up actually to my video about JLo because we talked about all of her beauty products there and all of her skincare routines and practices. I have the hottest gossip when it comes to celebrity and skincare. What are JLo's secrets to having good skin? Because she's like 55 and she definitely looks younger. We want to see how we can get good skin, get the best out of JLo's practices, and try to see if it works for us. We cannot afford everything. Of course, money makes a lot of difference. We're the ordinary person. How do we take care of our skin? Let's see what we can get out of this. Maybe we can find something common and put them together, and then we put them all on our faces. And then we look like stars. No matter how good our genetics are, or no matter how bad our genetics are, the final decision still lies in us. How much do we want to improve our health, our skin, our hair, even if you don't have that much money? There are homemade products, and I have a few, that help us keep our skin healthy. And of course, JLo talks about her own product, which is her olive complex, which has squalane, and it has a lot of different kinds of olive oil extracts. She swears by olive oil, but always check with someone you trust when it comes to your skin, your doctor, your medical practitioner, an esthetician, a dermatologist, because our skin types are different. What works for me may not work for you. What is safe for me may be harmful to your skin. Always read the labels, and as they say, the first 5 ingredients you see at the back of a product are the most active ingredients. Let's get loud. Turn the music up. So here are the benefits of using olive oil on your face. It helps keep your skin moisturized and prevents sun damage. It contains antioxidants that fight free radical damage and squalane for hydration. Its main benefit is to moisturize the skin by reducing water loss. Its antioxidant properties protect skin cells against environmental damage and inflammation. It breaks down waxy substances like waterproof mascara and eyeliner. It nourishes eyelashes the same way a conditioner works on your hair. Its anti-inflammatory ingredients can help heal wounds. Wow, that's awesome! Now let's take a look at the disadvantages, or the not so good things about olive oil that they say. Olive oil is a heavy oil, so it doesn't absorb easily into the skin. It can be a breeding ground for bacteria, causing clogged pores, acne, and irritations. It may cause an allergic reaction in sensitive skin, and there is yet no scientific proof that it has any benefits for your skin. I will cook with olive oil. I will take olive oil as a dressing. I will drizzle it on salad. But now, this stays in the kitchen. I will still stick to castor oil for my face. And I really can tell you that it has lessened I do feel that my skin is smoother, and I think I look more youthful, and my hyperpigmentation is actually lessening. And the thing is, I have not actually put on my hands. I always forget my hands, and these are the ones that really talk about how old we are. We may have very good skin, but the two things that will actually talk about our age or give our age away is our neck and our hands. But we don't really want to hide our age. Like when we are proud of how far we've come, we are proud of our age. I turned 63 in August. I'm proud of being able to dance, hike, climb, run, and move around like in my youth. Inside out, I am grateful. We gotta love life. Nothing's perfect. Whether we go through ups and downs, life will always be there for us to use the proper way, for us to work with and not work against. So eat healthy, live healthy, love your life, love yourself, follow a healthy routine. Exercise is really very good. I exercise very regularly during the week, 4 times, 5 times. I dance, I go to the gym, and I've been doing that for 7 years now. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E for the face. Did you know that half a cup of mango lessens your wrinkles? Half a cup. Don't go beyond because it's very sweet, right? Going beyond half a cup, according to one dermatologist, will cause more wrinkles. So just 1/2 cup, and then bam, no matter how good it is, stop right there. Maybe in a day. You can eat again tomorrow. So it's nutritional skincare. That's what I would do. Not just skincare, but nutritional skincare. Because there are many chemical products we do. There are many processes we do. And so, healthy eating, that's all of it. Exercise helps with blood circulation. And of course, always waking up with a glass of water as you say, thank you for giving me a beautiful day. Drink your water. Thank you for a beautiful day. Thank you for a beautiful night last night. Thank you for a perfect day that will happen today. Thank you. Before you notice it, you have finished your 1 glass of water. Yeah! And you have about 6 more, 7 more, 5 more. Anyway, during the day, which I'm very guilty of. I cannot drink 8 glasses of water. I have to really, really try. Did I forget my jug at work? Anyways, I hope you're finding this episode useful. Please do give it a like. Comment and share. Share my video with someone who you think might need a little bit of a boost in self-esteem or some tips on how to stay youthful despite your age, especially. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so yet. But if you're a subscriber already, thank you for your support. All of you contribute to the success of this channel, and I'm able to keep creating content for you, doing my research, giving you information in one stop so that you don't have to look up, you don't have to where do I go, who do I ask, because I put them all together in my research. Once in a while, I create PDF files to put together my resources and then share them with you. So always stay tuned for episodes like that. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms, TikTok at The Real D, Instagram at The Real D, my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. And if you haven't done so, reminding you to subscribe to my channel. It's been a beautiful filming time so far. I love filming because I feel like I am talking to you and because you're there to listen. Take care.